everyone. Today I have a treat for you. I'm gonna making ice cream. Well, kinda. Alright, so but before we get into this, I'd like to remind you to please subscribe, give us a like, and turn on your notification bell to get updated when we have new videos, okay? So this is the little gadget. It's called a swirlio. We just got this. I had another one, but it made a mess. But this is the new one I just got. Alright, so I have fresh fruits that are frozen, bananas, mango, and fresh. The strawberries and blueberries are fresh, but the bananas and mangoes were frozen. Now the bananas, what it does is it gives you the consistency of ice cream without the actual sugar and the fat. So I'm gonna put them through here, and then it's gonna come out as kind of a sorbet. Okay, so here we go. So the machine does make noise, so if you hear the noise, it's just the machine's going, okay? So here we go. I'm gonna add bananas with mangoes, and it's gonna come out to the little spout here. So when I turn the machine on, you'll hear it. This on top. All right, here we go. I think we have enough. Let's cut this. I'm gonna add.
That looks good.
Gonna add some strawberries and the blueberries. I think that's enough. And then let's top that off with some walnut. This gives us a crunch.
Now you're going to try it?
Yes, of course. Alright, so guys, this is my banana mango ice cream. Again, it's not ice cream. It's healthier, and you don't have the fat or the sugar from regular ice cream. Alright, so please guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, please remember to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment, okay, and follow us on Facebook. You'll see the description in the video. Alright guys, thank you, and as we always say, happy, healthier eating. Thank you guys. See you next time.
I'm not turning it off until you eat it.
Alright, good. Unfortunately, I don't have enough for you though.